This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Griggs. Beautifully maintained home. Houses are flying off the market and you have found yours. Don't let this one slip away. This one is move-in ready, so it's time to start packing. Seller is easy to work with, so a smooth transaction can be expected. Near all major bases and interstates. HVAC replaced 2 years ago. Lovely backyard, great for entertaining. This is your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Griggs at 757-549-2000.